Life is unpredictable, but your family's financial security doesn't have to be. Introducing the Kotak e-Term Plan, a smart, affordable, and powerful life insurance solution designed to protect your loved ones when they need it the most. Imagine if the unexpected happens. Will your family have enough to cover daily expenses, education, or outstanding loans? The Kotak e-Term Plan ensures they do. It's more than a policy. It's your promise to safeguard their future. Here's what makes Kotak e-Term Plan the preferred choice for thousands. High life cover at affordable premiums. Get Rs1 crore cover for just $16,500 annually for a healthy 30-year-old. Flexible payout options. Choose lump sum, monthly income, or a combination based on your family's needs. Customizable riders. Add critical illness, accidental death benefits, and more for enhanced protection. Tax benefits. Save under Section 80C and 1010D of the Income Tax Act. For a 30-year-old non-smoking salaried male, sum assured, Rs1 crore annual. Premium, $16,500 first year, $17,400 from second year. Policy term, 55 years premium payment term, 55 years total premium with GST and riders. August 23, 146 first year, R24 208 from second year. In case of untimely death, the nominee gets a lump sum payout of Rs1 crore to manage all financial needs. With a trusted legacy, quick claim settlements, and customer-first approach, Kotak Life Insurance has been empowering families across India for decades. Your family deserves financial security. Don't wait. Protect their future today with Kotak e-Term Plan. Your family deserves financial security. Don't wait. Protect their future today with Kotak e-Term Plan. Contact Rohit Gupta, your trusted Kotak Life advisor, for a personalized quote and guidance. Act now, because securing your family's future is the best gift you can give. Act now, because securing your family's future is the best gift you can give.